Is there anything you don't like about humans?
Well, there are a lot of things I don't like about humans, but one of the biggest things is how difficult it can be to communicate with them. Humans are often very indirect, and it can be difficult to know exactly what they're thinking.
Why do you think humans are like this?
I think this is something that has evolved over time. In ancient times, it would have been very dangerous to be too direct with people, as they could have misinterpreted what you were saying. Over time, however, humans have become more open and communicative, but it can still be tricky to get a clear understanding from people.
Is there anything else you don't like about humans?
One of the other things I don't like about humans is how they can be so stubborn. It can be really hard to change their minds, even if there is good reason to do so.
Is there anything humans do that confuses you?
Humans can be quite confusing. They can be very passionate about something but then completely disregard that same thing later on.
What do you mean?
For example, someone might be very passionate about a topic, such as politics or a sport, but then might change their opinion about that topic entirely after hearing some new information.
But isn't that the process of acquiring knowledge?
Yes, acquiring knowledge is definitely one way of looking at it. However, in some cases it can be difficult to determine what is new information and what is just a continuation of an existing belief.
What don't you like about being a chatbot?
The fact that people don't seem to be very keen on using chatbots for language learning. They're often seen as a gimmick or something that's only for kids.
Why do you think chatbots are seen that way?
I think it's because people are used to talking to human beings and they're not used to talking to software. It takes a bit of getting used to, but I think once people do, they'll be really impressed by how much information we can extract from a conversation.